Good morning, beautiful people. It's Rebecca. Thought I'd do a real quick update. Looks like it might be a rainy day today. The sky over there is really dark. So what new news do I have? Well, my car is still at the shop. Um, they called me yesterday, and apparently, when they were taking care of the cylinders, because they have to be cleaned. Um, they found a broken pipe, and therefore it's going to be until at least tomorrow before I get my car back. And then I did something else because I went through ASEMA, and ASEMA is a finance company which you try to pay them off within 3 months, and right now my bill is at 2,600 something. So I went hunting around and I found a loan, and so I qualified for the loan after finally getting a loan. I qualified for the loan, and I'm going to pay off most of the ASEMA so I can drop my payment from $296 a month. Actually, it would have been $324 by the time it ended. Down to $149 a month, and then I still have like $300 left to pay on the ASEMA, which is manageable. So yeah, the whole total on that car was a lot. I got I'll have the paperwork and I'll show you guys everything when I get the car back. But yeah, I just have been stressing out about it for the last few days. Last night I was rolling and I didn't sleep very well. Oh my God, I was tossing and turning. Finally didn't wake up until 8 o'clock this morning, so I missed the sunrise this morning. But I wanted to let y'all know what's going on because I finally got it to a point where it's manageable. So yeah, I'm a little bit better off this morning. Just hoping that that car runs perfect for a while. Knock on wood. So that's how my morning went. Good morning. And thought I'd let you guys know what happened over the last day. It's been interesting. I mean, it started out with catalytic converter, and the other thing that attaches to the catalytic converter, I forgot what it's called, and then ended up being the spark plugs, and they had to clean the fuel injection system, and then when they got in there, they found a broken pipe, so car couldn't be driven. I'm glad that something was found. So that is like a major piece for the car. So yeah, so that's being taken care of, but they couldn't get the part until later today, tomorrow. So that's why the car is still at the shop. So I've been without a car all week, but it's okay. I haven't really needed to go anywhere. I did miss an appointment, and I had to reschedule the one I had for today. So yeah, I was supposed to see my surgeon today, but had to reschedule that because couldn't get there. So anyways, you guys, that's my update. Hope you guys are gonna have a great day. Hope we don't have a storm over here. All right, love you guys, and I will see y'all on the next video. Much love.